Understanding the phrase, drop by spoonfuls, in cooking. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used but often misunderstood phrase in cooking. Drop by spoonfuls. This phrase can be puzzling for those learning English, especially when following a recipe. So, let's break it down and make it easy to understand. Drop by spoonfuls is a phrase you'll frequently encounter in recipes, particularly in baking. It means to take a spoonful of a mixture, like cookie dough or batter, and drop it onto a baking sheet or into a cooking pot. The key here is the method of transferring the mixture, using a spoon as the tool. This technique is crucial for certain recipes. It helps ensure that the portions are uniform in size, which is important for even cooking or baking. It's also a quick and efficient method, especially when handling sticky or thick mixtures that are difficult to shape with hands. Let's look at some examples. 1. Making cookies. When a cookie recipe says to drop by spoonfuls, it means scooping up a rounded spoonful of cookie dough and dropping it onto the baking sheet. This forms the cookies. 2. Preparing dumplings. For dumplings in soup, drop by spoonfuls means to spoon out a portion of the dumpling dough and drop it directly into the simmering broth. Use the right size spoon. Depending on the recipe, you might need a teaspoon or a tablespoon. Consistency is key. Try to keep the spoonfuls uniform for even cooking. Don't overfill the spoon. This ensures your portions aren't too large. I hope this video helps clarify the phrase, drop by spoonfuls. Remember, cooking is not just about following recipes, it's also about understanding the techniques behind the words. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.